The test lab module. The test lab module is used to run the test cases. The test run process begins with creating the test set tree and then running the test. Initially, a test set folder is created. Depending on the testing goals, you can add test to the test set folder. Test sets can include both manual and automated tests. You can include the same test in different test sets or add a few test instances to the same test set. You can set the date and time of execution of the test sets. The process flow in the test lab is: create a test set, schedule a test, run a test. Let's look at them one at a time. In the test lab module, click the new folder icon. The new folder dialog box opens. Give the folder name as sample. Click OK. The sample folder is now reflected in the test lab hierarchy. Select the sample folder. Click the icon New Test Set. The New Test Set dialog box opens. Enter the test set name as demo. In the description, you can write this test set verifies basic login and search functionality of Yahoo. Click OK. The test set is created and is reflected under the sample folder. In the test set properties, the default open date is the date of creation of the test set and the status is by default open. You can enter an estimated close date for the test set when you expect to finish the testing. The notification properties empower you to send a mail to a concerned authority in case a test case fails due to network damages or a test runs completely. In the On Failure tab, you can specify various settings in event of an automated script failure. The attachments can be used to associate relevant testware. In the execution grid, you can select the test to be executed from the test plan module. Add the login and search test from the test plan module. The default status is no run. Now our test set is ready. The next step is to schedule a test. The execution flow tab gives the order and flow of execution of test. You can specify a test to run on a specific date and time or based on a condition. Test condition would be test 2 will run only if test 1 is passed or finished. To specify a date constraint, double click on the test, Yahoo login. In the Run Schedule dialog box, click on the Time Dependency tab. Specify a date and a time to run the test. Click OK. A clock icon is shown in the execution flow to signify the particular test is scheduled. To specify a condition, double-click on the Yahoo search test in the Execution Conditions tab. Click the new icon. Select the Yahoo login test. The condition should be finished. Click OK. Click OK to close the run scheduled test. You can observe the execution flow is now demo, Yahoo login and Yahoo search, signifying execution of Yahoo search is based on the execution results of Yahoo login. Once the time dependency and the execution conditions are set, a notification is set to the tester to start the testing on the scheduled day. Also, tests can be run only if the condition specified is met with. The third step, running a test. Test can be run in two ways, manual or automatic. For our learning purposes, let's ignore the scheduling done previously. In the execution grid, let's first look at manual run. In the execution grid, select the Yahoo login script. Click the run button. The manual runner dialog box opens. Click begin run. As soon as you click begin run, the test steps are shown and have a default status as no run. Click on compact view icon, which enables you to see the description and the expected results of the test steps. The flow of manual execution now is to execute a step and update the actual results. The first step expects to launch a browser and enter URL as yahoo.com. The browser is launched. Enter URL as yahoo.com. The expected result in this case is Yahoo homepage should be shown. You can update the actual result as perhaps as expected. Click the next step icon, which displays the step 2. Step 2 would be enter a username and password. Expected result would be user must log on. I can enter the username and password and update the actual result. Let's assume the user was signed on successfully. Step 3 would be